Okay people, there's been a change of plan with the side pipes. They're no longer going to be side pipes. I tried them on, as you can see in these pictures here. And they just don't work. I don't like the look of them. There's a big gap at the front. I don't want to cut down my sidebars. I like the sidebars. It keeps that low stance of the van. So I've come up with an idea. And it's there's a lot of butchery and a lot of creation and a lot of cutting and shaping and stuff going on here. I'm going to make the side pipes into a badass all the way across rear double exhaust pipe thing. Bear with me on this. This is what I'm doing. I've ordered the parts. This is what I'm going to do. I'll try and explain it quick before I do it. Okay, here we have the side pipe. What my plan is to do is to have this in the centre bottom of my rear bumper, and I'm going to have this pipe coming out to here and then a pipe coming out to here, so a chrome tip there and a chrome tip there. To do this, what I'm going to do is flip it over quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split the pipe here and I'm going to put a T-piece in. So the exhaust will go into the ear here. So basically an exhaust will come out of here under my van and join to my exhaust. Then on this end, it's going to come round chrome tip, round chrome tip, and create an awesome exhaust. So you're going to see this piece hanging under the back of my van, cut out of a hole in the rear bumper, and then the two big double exhausts coming out. I think that would be wicked. This will help you get a better idea of what I mean. I'm going to cut this piece of valence plastic off here. See how I've got the little bit out for the exhaust. I'm going to just cut that all the way along there to there. Then that exhaust is going to be like that, but here. So I think that's going to look bloody awesome. And I'm going to I'll cut these back a bit and put some nice chrome tips on them. I think that's going to look badass. Yes. So let's get started building this. Yes. Let's get to it. I'm still waiting for parts at the minute. I'm hopefully going to get this done before the Rat Bastard Crew Summer Bash, but we'll see, won't we? Hopefully the parts will turn up in time. All I'm waiting for is the T-piece that goes in the middle to go that way, and I need the long bit that's going to go all the way to halfway down the van to join it. I've got to make some brackets to hang it to, and I'm waiting for my chrome tips to arrive. But that's the plan. Let's try and get to it, shall we? Get as much done as I can so far. Fingers crossed it'll be ready for the Rat Bastard Crew Summer Bash. Fingers crossed. Okay, that's one side done. Yes, look at that slide on there. So when it's attached to the van, it's going to be like that. Under the back of the van, that coming out. I'll cut that back to about there. Put a chrome tip down to about here. Yeah. Liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Sweet. Okay, let's do this side. So like that. There's the other one gone. Like that. Oh. Right. Yeah. Let's go see what this looks like outside, shall we? Right, are you starting to get the idea now? Are you starting to get the idea now? They come out a bit far from here, so I'm going to cut them down to about here. Get some chrome tips to go down. Then that's going to be about here. Then these are going to stick out, big chrome tips on them. Yeah, that's going to look badass, I think. Yes, so all I've got to do now is wait for the T-piece to turn up for the middle to attach to the exhaust. And we've got something cooking. Okay, that's that for today. That's part 2 of the video. I can't really do any more until the other bits turn up. So that's all I'm going to do today. Hopefully my bits will turn up before the summer bash so I can get it on the van and tested, and hopefully the vibrations won't be too much when it's bolted, blah, 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 blah. I'm waffling. So that's that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see the next videos of this trilogy. No, it's not trilogy, sequence. I don't know, I've had a brain fart. Yeah. Like and subscribe to see the next stuff that's coming up, with all the next shit I'm going to do. Okay, cheers people.